this feels so good. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you're locked in to my channel and when I post new videos. So in today's video, I'm doing a get to know me tag, or like 25 questions, whatever you want to call it. I asked all my social media outlets to ask me questions, and I have came up with a list of questions that you guys want to know about me or know more about me. So without further ado, let me get started. I did not put this in the list, but my name's Shekinah Payne. For those who don't know, I am from Georgia. I'm not gonna say what part, but yeah, I'm from Georgia. I was born in Detroit, moved to Georgia when I was a baby. Yeah, let me get into these questions so you guys can know more about me. So the first question is, are you single? Yes, I'm single. I'm ready to mingle, but actually I'm not. I'm focused on me right now. I'm not looking for a relationship. I am solo dolo and will remain that way until I find otherwise. What is my race? I don't know why I get this question a lot. Like, do I look like I'm something other than black? Because I never thought so. Never thought so. But yeah, I'm just black and, you know, mixed with more black. My age and when's my birthday? I am 21 and my birthday is April 9th, 1997. I'm an Aries. Shout out to my zodiac Aries tattoo. Yeah. What is my dream date? I have to say my dream date, I know it's kind of hard. Like, I'm a really goofy like type of person, and I feel like whatever I do as a first date would have to be like something adventurous or something fun. Like, I don't want to go to the movies for a first date because I can't really like interact with you and get to know you. I'm going for food and drinks. When I mean drinks, I mean water. Somewhere that's like in a public place. Don't ask me on a first date. No, it's not even a date. They come over and watch Netflix. Netflixing and chilling is not a date, so don't ask. What motivates me and inspires me? First and foremost, my mother. She is my inspiration. I look up to her a lot. My mother is my rock and shining armor. She is my everything, and I will always be blessed to have such a great mother like her. What is my favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is probably my birthday. Do you consider your birthday as a holiday? Because it's like your born day. I was like brought into this earth and it's my special day. So yeah, my birthday is my favorite holiday. Craziest thing that's ever happened to you? Funny story, not really funny at all. But junior year in high school, I almost drowned in a lake. I'm not the best swimmer like at all. And I'm not gonna lie, I was peer pressured to swim across a lake just to go to the other side, and it was not far at all. And then my friends saying like, you know, the lake isn't that deep, like just, you know, just swim to the other side because there was more to do on the other side. So whatever, I did it. I got to the halfway point. I was like, I'm tired, like let me take a break real quick and rest my legs, rest my arms. I could not feel the bottom of the lake, and I started freaking out. And while I was trying to come back up to the surface and breathe for a second, I was bringing them down. So like they were drowning while I was trying to save myself, but they could swim, so they swam me back to the other end of the shore. That was the craziest moment of my life. That was my only near-death experience. I'm scared of open water now. Next question, what is my favorite color? I'm mad I just changed my nail color, but my favorite color is pink. My phone case is really beat up right now, but it's pink. You really just can't tell. The room's pink. Everything I own pretty much is pink. Okay, next question. Do I have any siblings? No, I'm an only child. And if you know me, you know, I'm kind of like a selfish person. Not really selfish, but I don't like to share. So like, if I have food and you're like eyeing my food, am I gonna share? More than likely, I'm not. But yeah, I've always been an only child, so I don't like to share. Don't like to share clothes, any of that kind of stuff. How tall am I? I am 6'2". I am a tall drink of water. I've always been tall. Ever since I was born, I've just been a longer baby, and the doctors knew I was gonna be tall. Funny thing is, my parents are not tall at all, so like how I turn up like 6'2", I don't know. My mom's 5'7", dad's 6 foot, so hey, I'm not complaining. I love being tall. What is my favorite high school subject? My favorite high school subject was math. I love like just solving problems and getting the right answer, but I haven't taken math since high school. Actually, that's a lie. I took some math class here in school. Oh, I took financial math my sophomore year in college after not taking a math class since high school. Whew, that class kicked me in my booty. Like, I was struggling with the capital struggling. I was struggling, y'all. What is my favorite perfume? My favorite perfume is Sugar. It's called Pink Sugar. It's actually right here. This has been my favorite perfume since like the beginning of time. Like I think ever since this came out. I don't actually know when it came out, but I've had this for a very long time. Whenever my bottle is low, I always get another one. This one's already halfway empty, but I will be buying another one because like I said, this is my favorite scent. It just smells like sugar. If that makes any sense. Hence the name, Pink Sugar. Dream vacation. My dream vacation would have to be like exploring the tropics, or like I've been wanting to go to Mexico for a long time because their like beach areas just look really nice. I've also always wanted to go to Cali, but I know it's really not a vacation or like out of the country type, you know, thing. But where else? I also been wanting to go to Jamaica. I've been to Jamaica before, but I was like really young, so I don't really remember it. What sports have I played? I've played volleyball. I've dibbled and dabbled in track. They wanted me to do a high jump since I'm so tall, I guess. Yeah, that was an epic fail. I couldn't get the technique down, like of jumping backwards. I can't jump backwards. Like, who can do that? Whoever can, like, I give you all props. I couldn't do high jump. And basketball, like I play basketball now, you know, because basketball is my favorite sport.
I like the way they dribble up and down the court, just like I'm the king on the microphone. So it's Dr. J and Moses Malone.
When I was younger, I did the norm, dance classes, ballet. I've actually always wanted to be like a gymnast or a cheerleader. I always thought like doing like all those flips and tricks were so cool, but like I was too tall to finish out gymnastics. They pulled my mom aside. It's like, your daughter is too tall. Her feet are touching the floor when she does the bar. What is it called? When you do flips on the bar. I forgot what it was called, but like my feet were touching the ground and dragging on the floor when I would do flips. So yeah, they told me to stop that real quick. Got my little feelings hurt, but whatever. How long have you been playing basketball? I've been playing basketball since I was in 8th grade. I started really late to the game because everyone I knew who played basketball, they started playing when they were like middle school, elementary, and here I'm just now starting in like the 8th grade. But I picked up fairly quick. You know, shout out to all those trainers I went to. Y'all really helped because your girl was uncoordinated like crap. Next question. Explain the life of a student athlete. For those who don't know, I am a student athlete. I hope or whatever. Being a student athlete is fun and rewarding. I meet a lot of good friends, teammates over the years that are great people. Like, we became great friends and will remain friends after college. Always hit each other up, like, what you doing this weekend? We should link if they've already graduated. I feel like just playing basketball on a collegiate level, definitely tough because the workouts are intense, but like I said, it's rewarding. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say about being a student athlete. My favorite restaurant, I don't really have a favorite restaurant. I love breakfast food. Like, I can eat breakfast food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like eggs and cheese, pancakes, bacon. Oh, that's my fave. Is this my last year in school? It's actually a trick question. It's yes and no, because I am a senior. I go to UVA, so I'm technically a fourth year. That's what we call it here. But I redshirted my first year coming into college due to an injury. So I have another year of eligibility to play basketball. Awesome. Okay, so next question. Who is my favorite artist? So if you know anything about me, you know I love Abel Tesfaye. That is The Weeknd. If you don't know, I love him to death. Frank Ocean is another one. Favorite rapper would have to be Kendrick Lamar. He's a great rapper. And I also love Chance the Rapper. How many relationships have you been in? I have been in 2 relationships. One for almost like 2 years, and the other one really didn't count because it was really like short and pointless, waste of time. Anywho, have you ever been attracted to significantly shorter guys? I have to say yes. My first boyfriend was shorter than me, but like love is love. Like I really didn't care. Anywho, how tall does a guy have to be for me? Like I just said, I've dated someone shorter than me, so like I really don't discriminate. But it is always nice, you know, to look up to your boyfriend or to wear heels. I don't wear heels because I'm like really clumsy, but it's nice to be able to wear heels or like going out or like going to like a nice restaurant, putting on your heels. Like I've always wanted to do that. Like even though I don't wear heels, like I feel like they always bring together like a really cute like going out outfit, or like if you're just want to look really dressed up, like I feel like the heels just bring together an outfit. But if I was in a relationship with somebody, I would like for him to be taller so I could wear heels. If I made your heart smile 100 times but broke it 1 time, are we done? This is a nice question. Like whoever asked me this question really put some thought into it. And I would have to say no, we're not done, because obviously like you make me smile all the time, and I feel like one mess up doesn't change, it shouldn't change a lot of things, but like I know your heart is like, I know, you know, you make me smile, you make me happy, and I don't feel like one thing should like change everything. You feel me? What's my favorite pastime? I'd have to say 1, sleep, because I am a very busy person, and whenever I get a little bit of free time, I'm usually taking a nap. 2, have to be like just chill, watch some Netflix, watch some new shows. 3, hang out with friends. I love to do new things and go new places, try new things with my friends. I like to play in makeup when I get like new palettes and stuff. I love to like test them out and, you know, beat my face or whatever. I like to shop. I like to do a lot of things. Like I'm just a social butterfly. Why'd I say butterfly like that? But yeah, I'm a social butterfly. I like to do a lot of things and venture out and have fun. Next question, dogs or cats? I definitely have to say dogs. Growing up, I didn't have a pet, a house pet. My mom didn't like animals, but I do have to say I gravitate towards dogs more. I love little like small dogs. If they're bigger than like this big, I don't want them. If I was to ever get a dog, it would have to be like this big. My dream dogs, because I want 2. I want a pug and I want a wiener dog. So like little dogs that have like little legs, cutest thing. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy getting to know me, knowing more about me, because like I said, I've never done one of these videos before. I thought it was kind of cool to, you know, open up on my channel. If you have any other questions or you want to know more about me, please ask below in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.